Video night and the home group. No, people just hate these things, don't they?
Hey Lois, Lois, come here. What? You need a hug.
She does. She's had a hard day.
I've had a wonderful day. But I
They do 5 jobs. Now they'll do 5 jobs.
She called. She called me before we left. He said that they were still thinking about it. She doesn't.
So
This way I can always say, who are those strange people in that video?
please let me turn sideways.
Oh, there we go.
That's not fair.
What are you chewing on there?
So how long is he on?
Get that. Look, Paul.
I'm gonna show it. Daddy, do you take
Hey guys,
Jeff?
is there any place to hang on?
Don't get up. Get on my shoulder. Don't get up. Daddy, don't get on him. Jeff, don't get up. I got my shoulders. No, there's no room. I have to hold on. So she can
Where you at, Jana?
back here. Under. I'm stand up. My shoulders. Stand up
We
behind us.
got at least room for.
What you look like all brushed up? Come here. Come here. Oh, you're looking good. Come here. Come here. Look at you. You look good.
I'm going to Women's Schoolhouse today, and my name's Isabella, and I have my lunch and some other stuff in here, and I have granny boots on, and like an old skirt, and then a blouse with an embroidered collar, and then I have a bonnet and a hood. I don't want to wrinkle it. So this is the finished Isabella. We get to do lots of games at recess, and we go from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. It's going to be really, 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 really fun.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
There we go.
Pretty good.
My record was only 27, but well, it's pretty good. Let's try that again. Oh, hi,
Go ahead.
Isabella.